The secret to great photos is not just the phone, it's you. Small habits can turn an ordinary photo into something professional. Tip 1. Always clean your lens. A fingerprint or a bit of dust can make your photos look hazy or soft. Clean lens is equal to sharp photos every time. Tip 2. Avoid digital zoom. Every step you take closer keeps your photo sharper. Move with your subject instead of just zooming in. Tip 3. Shoot during golden hour. 1 hour after sunrise or before sunset, the light is soft, warm, and makes everything look magical. Tip 4. Turn on grid lines. They help you balance your frame and apply the rule of thirds easily. Perfect for architecture or people shots. Tip 5. Play with angles and reflections. Sometimes the most interesting photo is just a few steps lower or in a mirror right beside you. Try these smart techniques during customer interactions. Clean lens, good light, and right angles. When customers see your photos look amazing, they'll instantly trust the phone and you. Remember, the more you practice, the better your eye gets. Photography is not about perfection, it's about observation.
Vivo.